guys, welcome back to another crafty episode. My name is Payal. In today's video, first I'll be showing you how to do foiling with laminator. First you will need reactive foils. I have one in red color. For designs you can use designer toner sheet by Craftangles, or you can print your own design using laser printer. So now here I will take my reactive foil and cover all the designer part of the sheet with this foil. Since I don't have laminator at home, I went to the shop for the foiling. To keep my foil on the place, I am adding this white page on the top of it, and here is how it turned out. And now here is the second part of video, which is for monthly challenge, where I'll be showing you how I turned this old box into something giftable. Please keep watching. I'll play the music for the rest of the video.